Hi boys and girls, so welcome back to Mom's Toys. So today I have a LOL surprise under wraps doll. Now this is like a capsule and it's holding a LOL doll inside. I cannot wait. I am excited to open this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So we're gonna take off the first wrapping. Now inside it's saying it's a surprise. It has like her clothes and her shoes and maybe sunglasses and some secret clues. So we're gonna find out right now. Oh look, there's the magnifying glass right there. Wow. So we're gonna get to look at some cool clues in a minute. All right. There's a LOL doll. I'm so excited. And we have an LOL surprise sticker. So on here, you're supposed to, look, on here, you see that? You see that clue? What is it? It's an arrow up, and then it looks like a mountain, and then it looks like clouds. So it's LOL, and it's like a mountain and an arrow up. So yeah, here we go. Gotta finish unwrapping. Oh wow. So apparently, I think, oh wow. So here are codes. These are some codes. And then the LOL instructions. So what are the codes? Oh wow. Is this the codes to open our capsule doll? So I don't know if you can see it, but I think it's the LOL codes to open our doll. So here we go. Let's see. All right, so the first one says, it's a crown and a diamond. So, crown and a diamond. I cracked the code and it's open. Oh wow. So here's our LOL doll. I'm gonna place her there. The surprise under wraps, it tells us what dolls we have and maybe possibly more secret clues. I hope so. It tells us which doll we have. And some cracking other clues on the back. Yay! And here I have two things wrapped. And of course I have the band for the capsule if I wanted to carry it. And this is her little stand inside. So we're gonna unwrap her and see who it is. She's covered in like looks like a lamb or goat. I think it's a goat. So we're just going, oh my goodness, who is she? Oh my goodness, this is Thrilla. This is Thrilla. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, I love. She is gorgeous. This is Thrilla, you guys. So we're gonna see what Thrilla came with. She came with a pacifier. So I'm going to, if we can put that in there. Thrilla came with a pacifier. And what else? Oh, she came with glasses. She came with some Thrilla glasses. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, don't she look neato? She looks cool. All right, there's more. The next one is, the code is fire and ice. So fire and ice for the next one. Let's see. Fire and ice, and a peace sign and a heart. Let's see. Oh wow! Got it open. Let's see what we have here. She has a bottle. Oh wow! So Thriller comes with glasses, a pacifier, and a bottle. So let's open the next one. Let's see. The next clue is candy and an apple. And it is a clover and a mean face. Let's see. I open it. Wow. Let's see what's in here. Shoes. She has shoes, guys. She has a pair of shoes. And a pair of glasses. There's more clues. So, fire and ice, candy and apple. Let's see. See if I get this. I did! Wow. Oh wow, she has a little dress and skirt set. Oh my goodness, she's about to be popping. Yes. So let's kind of put these on her. I am like excited to kind of dress Thriller right now. Let's take this off. Let's put her skirt on. Baby, she's about to be popping. Uh-oh. There she go. Let's kind of put her top on. She's about to be killing us. Sweet. Oh my gosh. You guys. She popping. She has the Thriller jacket and skirt. She's popping. And we're gonna put her shoes on. Left. So that was right, and this is left. Oh my gosh. So her glasses are red, black, and silver. Her dress, her skirt is red. Her shirt is red and black. And her shoes and socks are white and black. And baby, she is a poppin'. And we're gonna put her pacifier back in. Look at that. She's a poppin'. I don't think there's any more. I think we actually cracked the code on all of them. So it tells you how to lock it back and to unlock it. But yeah, guys, I think that's it. She comes with a little stand on top, so you can, you know, place her up here to be showcased to the world. Or you can put her back in her capsule. Wow, you guys, I think this is pretty neat. This is cool. So she came with a lot of fun surprises. There are many more collectibles, so we're gonna see in our next video which surprise doll we get next time. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked this unboxing. How fun was it to catch a surprise of this LOL doll? So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, you guys. It's been fun. I've seen you now, and I'll see you later in the next Mom's Secret Toys video. Bye. Bye from Thrilla.